How to create a back to top button on Wix. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create a back to top button. Alright, so the first thing to do is to log in into your Wix account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, by the top right corner of the screen you'll see design site. Okay, click on it. Once you click on it, this will direct you to your Wix website editor. So you wait for it to load. It might take a while depending on your internet connection. Just wait for it. So once that's loaded, this is your Wix website editor. And then once you're on this page, by the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu, right? At the left side of the editor, select add element. So once you've selected add element, a box will be displayed. Amongst the option, select button. It is the third option on this page. So once you've selected button, you'll see a list of buttons, right? So select text and icon button, yes, and then on text and icon button, amongst the icons, yes, select the one that you desire. All right, for me, I'll be selecting this one. So once you've selected this, all you need to do is to drag it this way and drop it on your desired parts of the screen. Okay, just drop it anywhere you desire. I'll drop it here. So once it's dropped there, you'll see a list of toolbar, like a list of tools in the toolbar. Select the link icon. Once you've selected it, another box will be displayed, and then you'll see page website. Select top or slash bottom of page and then click on it. So this is top, this is bottom. So we want it to be at we want it to be back to top. So we just leave it at top here and then click on done. And that's it. That's just how you can create a back to top button on Wix. Thanks for watching.